Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share my views on hair masks from Dove. This is Dove Healthy Ritual Hair Mask for strengthening hair. So this hair mask is designed to nourish, strengthening, repair dry damaged hair, drawing inspiration from traditional rituals known for their natural ingredients such as honey and oats. So without wasting our time, I'll tell you how it worked on my extremely oily scalp and frizzy hair. So the hair mask comes in sturdy round tub with twist of lid typical of many other hair masks from Dove. The packaging is simple yet elegant with predominantly white color scheme and accents of honey like hues which align with the theme of the product. The tub allows easy scooping of the product, but I find it less convenient and hygienic compared to pump bottles, and also pump bottles are easy to travel with. The price of 300 ml of product is rupees 525, which is affordable because you only use hair mask 2-3 times a week. Some people use only once, so the generous amount in the tub also ensures that it lasts for several applications. Now let's talk about ingredients. So you can read full ingredients list over here. Let's talk about key ingredients. It has dimethicone, which is a moisturizing agent for both the face and the body. It contains perfume. It has lactic acid, which is a chemical exfoliant and antioxidant, and also is moisturizing. It moisturizes skin. It also has honey and oat extract, which is again a moisturizing and soothing ingredient. Now let's talk about fragrance, which I particularly focus in hair care products, especially in hair masks and conditioners. So the combination of oat extract and honey creates a warm aroma that is mildly sweet without being overpowering. The texture of the mask is thick and creamy, and making it easy to apply and distribute evenly through the hair. It feels luxurious and rich, which is typical of a deep conditioning treatment. The brand says you can use this on hair and scalp and leave it for at least 3 to 5 minutes or more depending on your hair needs, and then rinse with plain water. And also you can use this 2 to 3 times a week. So these are the things as per brand. Now I'll tell you my experience and how I use this. As you know, I have very oily scalp and frizzy hair. Sometimes my hair is frizzy, sometimes my hair is normal, but my oily scalp is forever. Anyway, let's proceed. So I usually apply after shampooing on my damp hair. I never applied this on my scalp as my scalp is super oily, so I can't take risks. Spreads very easily and a little goes a long way, which is a plus for those who with longer and thicker hair. What I do is right after washing, I just soak the excess water in towel and then apply it on my damp hair and keep it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes is my usual time, but sometimes when I want deep conditioning, I keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. This I do once in a month because my hair is color treated and I use heating tools sometimes. So just to avoid any kind of damage, I do deep conditioning once in a month, which works fine for me. In terms of performance, the mask delivers on its promises. After rinsing, the hair feels incredibly soft and smooth with a noticeable reduction in frizz and flyaways, and also it doesn't weigh down my hair. If your hair becomes so frizzy while washing like chuniya ka ghosla, then take a little extra and leave for at least 15 to 20 minutes and you can replace your hair mask with hair conditioner. The hair looks healthier and more manageable manageable after using this. This hair mask is particularly beneficial for those with dry, damaged, frizzy or color treated hair, as it helps to restore moisture and strengthen the hair strands. However, it might be a bit heavy for those with fine or oily hair, so it's better to avoid it if that's the case. Nourishing properties of oats and honey also help to maintain the hair's natural moisture balance, which is crucial for preventing further damage, and it's a great addition to any hair care regime for those with dry or damaged locks. So yeah, that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.